Hey, who's that? Hey, guys, stop being so weird. Fine, when it comes weird, when I had been called weird 100,000 times. Let's do a taste test. Yummy. Yummy has a gum drop. Gum drop. Old. Ew. Guys, we're so close to the mountain, and I was recovered by pen, but we're so close to the mountain. Only, wait, is this a constance for? Yes, the constance is to bring it back morning. Okay, but how was it nice? Well, the video, no, this episode won't end when you beat a challenge, but it'll simply having a good time before the thing ends. So, do it. Yes, I'm gonna be so close. I'm so close. No. Here, catch this so you can just get him. Thanks. I'm so close. I'm about to win. Yes! Vote on this team since they lost. Because actually, vote on these teams. But there's so much of us.